Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. A clock's hour, minute and second hands overlap dash times a day. Now let's see, this is the clock. Here we see 12, 6, 3 and 9. Now all three hands overlap at 12 o'clock. Hour, minute and second hand overlap at 12 a.m. the first time. After that, hour and minute hand overlap at 1, 5, 2:10, 3:15 and so on. But at the same time, at that time, second hand is behind both the hour and minute hands. So after 12 a.m., after 12 a.m., either hour hand and minute hand or hour hand and second hand or minute hand and second hand overlap together. Till 12 p.m. Till 12 p.m. After 12 a.m., directly the next time all three hands overlap is 12 p.m. At 12 p.m., all three hands overlap again. Therefore, clock's hour, minute and second hand, all hands overlap twice or two times a day. Two times a day. This will be the required blank.